Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on daylight savings time on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on daylight savings time so that the time automatically adjusts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the setup button of your dashboard. Next, click on General. Then from here, you want to click on Date and Time. And here, you want to scroll down and then click on Daylight Savings Time. So this is going to automatically go ahead and set up Daylight Savings Time on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Daylight Savings Time on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.